So we're doing exercise 13A. This is question 10D. So this looks like a hairy question, but it's really not that bad. We're just going to make sure we don't get lost in the weeds here. So let's begin. I'm going to begin by getting rid of these brackets by using my third and fourth index laws. So it's going to be -3, and I'm going to put a 2 here. Then I'm going to go x, 2 times 2 is 4, y, 3 times 2 is 6, divided by 2, and I'm going to put a 3 over the top of it. Then I'm going to have x cubed, y cubed, and this is going to be multiplied with what I have on this side, which is 4x, 4, y, 3 over x to the 3, y to the 3. Perfect. Now that I'm here, I can multiply my numerators together and multiply my denominators together, and wherever I have the same base, I'm going to add together my indices. So first I'm going to go, well, what's -3 squared? And this is important now. When it's -3 squared, well, when I square a negative number, it's going to become positive. So this is going to become 9. And then it's going to be x, do you know what I might do? I might change it right here. So -3 squared, that's going to become 9. Otherwise, I'm going to have to rewrite the whole thing again. That's going to become 9 there. So let's now multiply my numerators together. 9 by 4 is going to be 36. Then x4, I'm going to plus together the indices, and that's going to give me 8, because 4 plus 4 is 8. Then I'm going to do the same here. 6 plus 3 is 9. And then that's going to be over, whoops, let me see if I can do that again. That's going to be over 2 raised to the 3 is 8. Then it's going to be x3, 3, that's going to be 6 because they're adding. Then it's going to be y3, 3, that's going to be 6. Now, can I simplify this? I absolutely can. 36 and 8, well, that is simply 9 and 2 because I can divide them both by 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. Now, let me keep it a bit bigger, like that. Ooh, that's a bit, let me try that again. There we go, that's as good as it's going to get. Now, I can bring up this x to the 6, I can bring that up, and by doing it, I'm going to subtract it from 8. So remember, when I have the same base and they're dividing, my indices subtract. So it's going to be 8 minus 6, so it's going to be x squared. And same thing over here, it's going to be 9 minus 6, which is going to be y to the 3. Now, there's actually a nicer way that we write this. It means exactly the same thing. I'm going to write it as 9 over 2, and then you just write it as x squared y cubed. And that's the nice way to write it. You can write it like this, you can write it like that. It really doesn't matter at the end of the day. I'm actually going to fix this up a little bit. There we go. Hopefully this has been helpful. I'm going to highlight that one, just so no one gets confused.